I'm explain how we will. Yes, anybody has got any question?
Sir, could you repeat that again? Tiene geçtim.
Okay. Claro, أما function كيا أماش function كيا بما أبا مشتغلين شيء كأن يصير f g x كمان composite function يعني أمدو function بيكون from 28 was no إسابات يكون it's like just a definition or just to know what's the meaning of this f g x and what's the name for it. It means composite function. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, then find f g x. Okay. You write f g x. If you remember, in the past we had fx. Now it's f g x. What you write? You write f and open a bracket. Instead of the x, write or replace gx with this. Okay? What was the gx equal? Gx equal x plus 3. Okay? Then that's why I'll write here x plus 3. Is it clear what I have done now?
Yeah.
Every time you go like in order, step by step. You have f gx. Then that gx, instead of that gx, replace with the right hand side. So what's equal? You write this. Now, at this step here, you plug x plus 3 into every x in the fx function. Okay, what's the fx function? It's x. Instead of x, I have to use x plus 3 plus 2. You plug this into the fx function, that value, instead of x in here. No question? And now here, what you can do, obviously this is use a bit mass because it's all addition. Then that bracket has got no value. Then you just write x plus 5. Then your f g x equal to that. That's your composite function. Clear? Any question?
Yeah. Yeah, it's clear.
No question? Okay. I'm going to do the second example for you. The next one, if you just mute your microphone, then we have the next function, 2x minus 1. And gx is equal to x minus 2. Now they're asking you to find, okay, this is my function this time, find f gx. Straight away, what you do, you write f and a bracket. Instead of gx, okay, replace with that, because gx is equal to x minus 2, then you replace it by x minus 2. And now you plug that value here in every x, instead of every x, in your fx function. Okay, and what is your fx function? It's 2. This is 2. Then a bracket minus 1, because now In step X, I have to use X minus 2. And now use a BidMax, okay? We have to expand. 2 times X is 2X. 2 times negative 2, it's negative 4. And you write negative 1 back as it is. And then this is equal to 2X.
What the heck was that?
Anyways, that's Darius.
Your ass is good.
Darius Berzan. Is he okay, Darius Berzan? And then Beraz, okay. Dustin, hello. Dustin as well.
That scared me.
Okay?
او كاس درسك ريكورد كمان مصطفى
Screw
يو
you,
داريا ما
Dustin.
مصطفى بس هو دارياز نبو ما مصطفى
Hey.
is anyone recording the lesson
Not me.
okay لا هي ما مصطفى او دارياز نبو by the way ما مصطفى او دارياز نبو
Mama said Darius salty wahinia. Squeakinia.
There was someone who was a Darius Berzan.
Khanaza مواصل يعني now I can زيبيا.
Okay, okay. Here now. Mustafa, try not to share the video, okay?
I never recorded it.
I'm not saying record it on it. I'm just saying don't share it, okay? Look, declare this
All right.
example. Okay. No question. Then I'll do the next example. Do you want me to all of you? I can do it if you want.
مستر هافال
Vale.
من نم خوين دوات وانا نليفك
Yes.
بيكا
Who's this? Am I Chebu?
آران
Adiban?
بله
Oh, welcome.
نازم ما وصل نازم.
First time. Yeah. Daro, Purusha. What was it? Do the other example to say, okay, I will do the other example. Okay. Aran Adiban.
بله
Okay,
مستر
where have you been so far? Aran Adiban. تحسبونها في بويسي. Dustin.
بول خداني شاتم
نام دي وتاسة.
لبنو انتو برتيانا كردوا
دائما من registration كم by your name. I'll check your name.
نازم
That you have Shadiar, we have Yusuf. I'll say because I have to send it to admin. Who's here? Who's not here? Okay. Now. Yes, that's,
Mr. Hafal قلت لك يشتمينا توعين برون
yes. Yes, that's and what's your question you have?
باش باي
مصطفى.
Mr. Hafal, thank you for the lesson.
You're welcome. Okay.
Wait, it's already over?
شو يا طابو؟
No, not over, but he
sir
said,
is anyone recording the lesson sir
I don't think so.
Sir,
no.
I am recording the lesson.
Good, okay.
Good. Can you please share me the video of when Dustin scared everyone?
that wasn't me
Wait, that wasn't you?
no
I thought it was you.
hi Mustafa how are you
It wasn't
Fine.
me. It wasn't me either. I don't know.
Who was it?
I don't know.
I should have had my.
Mr.
I
Hafal
hate the. I should have had my mic unmuted.
Mr. Hafal
Yes, Dustin.
اگر تێگەشتی توين بڕۆین
Yes.
گاشتی دەست خۆش زۆر سپاس مامۆستا
You're welcome. Dustin, you had the question?
Could you do another example please
Okay, I'm doing this example, which is, let us see. fx is
Mama, stop.
equal to vale.
اتواني دوای example هین کەیت پرسیاری سێم.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And this is g. Okay, and now it's saying find out fx. Okay, uh-huh. Find, look, f g, and instead of x, value 3. What's equal? Okay, and now here you have to find the composite function for the x. Then you replace with a value. What you do here, okay, you write f instead of gx. What's a gx equal to x? And you plug this value where? In the fx function. Then what's the fx function? 2 bracket plus 3. Instead of x, I'm going to use a different marker then for you to see. You write 2x. Okay. And now you expand, use a bit mass. 2 times 2x, 4x plus 3. That's what is f, g, x. And now it's saying instead of x, use 3. Then you write f, g, 3. And again, you replace x by 3. We studied that in a previous lesson. Then 4 times 3 plus 3. Then that's going to be 12 plus 3, which is 15. Yeah? Any question? No?
No, it's clear. Thank you.
You're from Dano.
No, I don't have any questions at all.
Mama Saikjan.
Dano.
پرسیاری سێ
Yeah.
D.
3D, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to wipe it off. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
I'm surprised no one even questioned what the background is for me.
Safa, I said do not share your screen.
Oh, I'm not. Oh, you want me to stop the video recording for me? I'm not recording. I'm just turning on face cam.
Okay, just leave that, okay? Now,
Yeah, should I remove that scary thing in the background?
remove everything.
Okay, I'm sorry that I used it. I was just curious of what that was.
Is that your question, yeah?
Yeah.
Then it's equal plus 2 plus 5. Yeah? Now it's saying find j kx. J a x. You write j and open a bracket. Instead of kx, use this part. Replace by this. Okay? You replace by that, which is 8x plus 2 over 5. That's step 1, okay? Step 2, plug this value or put this value instead of x in jx, in that function. And what is my function here? Okay, I'll write it underneath it. It's 1 over 4. Then this is 1 over 4. And minus 3. But instead of x, I have to use 8x plus 2 over 5. Is it clear so far? You understand? Daro?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now,
Yes,
in
sir.
here, what to do? You use a bit math first. What to do? Find the same denominator. What's the same denominator? It's 1 here. Then I have to times by 5. Okay, and then you write 1 over 4 as it is, and this is 5, 8x back as it is plus 2. Okay, and now 3 times 5, 50, negative 50. Okay, and then it's 1 over 4. It will be 5, 8x minus 13. Okay, and now, can you see my handwriting yet?
No, can you write it a bit bigger, please?
Okay. Who's this? Oh,
I'm Fakhreddin. I'm a
Super.
transfer.
huh?
I'm Fakhreddin. I transfer from Bahrain,
Yeah.
and I'm supposed to be in this class.
Oh. Who told you you have to be in this class? Who gave you a permission?
The principal?
Fakhreddin, yeah?
Yeah, you can ask the principal. Yeah, Fakhreddin.
Are you a student?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Oh,
go ahead.
all right. Okay.
So, sorry, what's your name?
Haval.
Ahmed?
No, Mr. Haval.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then
Dangadang.
8x minus 13. Okay. And now, in here, look,
Dangadang
this,
green, nigga.
and now, this is a multiplication of two fractions. Okay. Yeah,
Abudi, I have a question. How come if it's 1 over 4, how come that equals the square root of 6 over 9?
Dangadang green, nigga.
1 minute, let me see. Prusha, what did you say, Prusha? Let me see what Prusha said. 1 minute. Just give me 1 second, Patrick, and I'll deal with this one. Say, I think you can remove people. Please remove. Okay, I will do it now. 1 second.
Dangadang green, nigga. No shit.
Patrick, what's your question? Fakhreddin,
Hello?
what's your question?
How come if it's 1 over 4, how come that equals 6 over 9 divided by 2, if that's the square root of 4?
Which one are you talking about?
Question 3D?
This is 3D. We have two functions. Can you see my whiteboard? What are you talking
Yes,
about?
we can. We can see it.
I'm talking about the Fakhreddin because he's talking about something which is, I think he's looking at different things, different question.
Okay,
Not much.
go ahead. Sorry.
Now, this is two fraction and a multiplication between. Then what you do, okay, then in a multiplication, you just multiply denominator to denominator, then the final answer will be 8x minus 13 over 20. This is your final answer. Okay? Any more questions? Daro, you okay? Any other question you want me to solve? Prusha, you have any question? Anyone else?
I think that should be good. Yeah, Mudaris.
Okay, and look at the exercise right now. If you have any question or anything you think it's difficult, I can do it for you now. Look at the exercise, even the student assessment. Anything that I can do for you.
Yeah,
Anyone
so Abudi, I have a question. You know, I'm new to this class. So what's the homework? How's the homework like? Is it once every week, once every day?
Have you got the book?
To be honest, no, I'm just looking at your old
you-
lectures. I'm just
Okay, on a Google platform, I always put on there, if you look at on the material or a student work, like, or my student already knows, after every lesson, they have to do the exercise, which is on the book. For example, for today, it's exercise 19.7, student assessment 1 and student assessment 2. They have to do it and upload it to a Google Classroom for me. Is that clear for you?
yeah. I asked the other students in this class, and nobody would respond to me on chat, especially on Google platform. You know, I felt hurt, man, really emotionally. You know, I don't know what to do. I talked to the principal. He recommended therapy and stuff. I don't know. What do you recommend, Abudi? Like, nobody's telling me what to do.
Personally, I don't know who you are and where you calling or why you coming to my classroom. Okay, but I'll find out from the admin or from the principal to see who you are. And if you have any question on Google Classroom, you can ask. And if you have asked, I will answer you. But I haven't seen anything from you so far. Every day or every hour, I'll check the Google Classroom. There is no question from you, or even your name is not there.
Can you check Fakhreddin Hamoudi? That's my full name.
I'll check. Since when you start to join my class or the Google Classroom? When did you start?
I've been, you know, before coronavirus, I joined your class for 1 day. I don't know if you remember me. I was in the back. I didn't talk much.
Oh, you came to my classroom?
He
in the
didn't,
school?
he didn't.
He did or not, Daro?
I haven't seen that face.
I'll find
This
out
face?
anyway.
Are you sure you haven't seen me?
Yes, I haven't seen that face.
I was
In our
sitting in the
class.
back though.
It's okay, it's okay. But why you haven't shown yourself from beginning? We've been going on this Google Classroom for the last 8 weeks. Where have you been
You know,
then?
I'm a very quiet guy. It takes me like a few weeks for me to get out of my shell. You know, I'm a very shy person. That's why in class Daro didn't see me. I saw Daro, but he didn't see me. But yeah, I'm very shy
I
person.
understand that. I too am an introvert, but I am slightly
Anyway.
better at trying to come out my shell. I still find it pretty difficult, but I do have a few friends.
Can I be your friend?
Yes.
Okay. I have removed Fakhreddin anyway. Because I think he's just a clown. He's trying
ماما
to...
صاو قالتيك بخوا اورا دمو چام نبيني لبوليا ما.
Yes, I know. That's why I have removed him. Anyway, don't give
Good.
with the password or the link to anybody, okay? Anyway, any more question? Anyone has any question?
No, my friend.
Okay, my student. If you don't have any question, I think
Can we
you
leave?
can leave. Yeah, you can leave. It's okay.
Okay.